All right, Jason Gray, New American Funding. Hope you're all doing well today. Hey, I was at a seminar last couple of days, and one of the points was brought out to one of the people I was listening to, and it really struck with me, and I want to share it with you as well. And it was talking about realtors that are slow and what they should be doing with their time if they're not like super busy that day. And what it is taking one of your old past clients, doing a CMA. Let's say you do one CMA a day, and after 2 months, maybe you hit 40 CMAs by the time you do this. And what it is you're doing a CMA and you're reaching out to them saying, hey, here's a CMA on your property. Let me know what you've done to your property since you purchased it. Then maybe let's update the CMA based on that information. This gives you a snapshot where your house is valued at today. Not saying you want to sell your house today, but just giving you a rough idea. What it does for you is it creates an opportunity for you to reach out to your clients as an excuse. Secondly, they remember who you are. And then you ask them at the end, do you know anyone that's looking to purchase a home or looking to sell a house in the next few months? And if so, can you pass along my name? I greatly appreciate that referral. And so what you're doing is you're taking the time of your day and say, you know what, I got an extra 2 hours in my 8-hour day here today. Maybe I just do a CMA. And just think of it over scale over time. And it's like the compound effect. Darren Hardy did a great book on this, talked about little steps every day adds up to massive improvement. And so if you were to do one a day, and there's 20 days a month that you work, and you do that for, let's say, 6 months, that's 240 CMAs. What could you get out of that in return? So hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.